Cicadas are insects, famous for their extremely loud song. They are members of the order Hemiptera, known as true insects. There are more than 3,000 species of cicadas. Like other insects, they are arthropods. Arthropods are invertebrate animals having an exoskeleton. Cicadas have stout bodies, wide heads, 2 short antennae, 2 compound eyes, and 3 simple eyes. They have 2 pairs of membranous wings, and 3 pairs of legs on their thorax. Male cicadas have a pair of tymbals on their abdomen, which are organs that produce sound by their rapid expansion and contraction. The sound is used to attract females. The life cycle